I researched hundreds if not thousands of websites and I found a formula for the best homepage layout. If your goal is high conversion rate, then you need to watch this video. So all websites that have good UX and good conversion rate follow the basic layout principles. If you ignore these principles, then more likely you will create a piece of art rather than a good website with good usability. Look at these examples of websites. It might look cool and breathtaking, with a lot of colors, but all these buttons scattered across the page. In general, the usability suffers a lot, and in a few minutes I will explain why. I'm not against beautiful websites and art, I love self-expression, but it has nothing to do with usability and good conversion rate. Now this other example. Okay, not conventional navigation at the bottom, but I cannot see how I can contact this studio if I want them to develop my VR product. And the problem of these websites is that they don't answer three main questions: who, what and how. Who are you, what are you doing, and how are you going to help me? Let's break a decent website structure. At the very top you can always see the logo in the navigation bar, which tells the visitor who is that. The big section underneath is called Hero section. Usually it answers all three questions, but in a shorter way. The big headline with the smaller text below explain what they are doing and how they are going to help me with my problem, if I have any. The good habit is to have a CTA after that. It's a button that the user can click to perform a necessary action. After this short summary in the Hero section, everything that goes below uncovers the who, what and how, but in a more detailed way. It could be through features, testimonials, articles, FAQs, various product demos and other stuff. That's how every section of the page serves one purpose: lead the user to perform a necessary action. Convince them that this service is exactly what the user needs. So the homepage ends with another CTA most of the time. The CTA might lead to buying something, subscribing to a service or newsletter, or contacting the company. Thus, a good homepage usually tells a story. Let's see this example. Okay, this website is called Get Vero, and what we see at the top, Hero section with CTAs for signing up and getting a demo. Now we see how the product works, services that use this product, which is a good way to show approval. Now the problem that the product solves, trusted by engineers. Again, some features of the product. Some other features. Testimonials, again, social approval, very good. And at the end, CTAs to sign up and get a demo. So really nice website that follows all the basic principles of good UX and good homepage design. Now let's create a homepage layout together, pretending that a client gave us a real task. And the task is to design a homepage for a hotel based in the woods. I won't teach you how to use Figma in this video. If you want to learn web design in Figma, you can watch my other video, the link you can see at the top of your screen. So for this website I have this color palette that the client gave us, and I've already created a basic layout for the navigation bar, for my hero section. As it is a hotel, we'll have a booking functionality and book CTA. The navigation bar will be fixed at the top while we are scrolling the page. So we'll always have the possibility to jump to this booking thing from any place of the page. After the hero section I will present some services, the rooms that the hotel can provide, the restaurant, spa, then the section for events that will take part in this hotel. Of course, reviews, social approval is very important. Reviews you can scroll by clicking these arrows. Here I was planning to have a map with contacts for those who want to call, and of course how they can find this hotel, and functionality to call them back, and a simple footer that duplicates the main menu. Okay, let's bring all of this to our canvas. I will make 100 pixels spacing between sections. Maybe actually let's do 120. Then the events. Let's make sure that it follows the grid. Reviews. I will break the grid like this, stick to the left edge. We have the layout ready. Now all is left is just fill it with the images. I will quickly do it and show you the result. We have our website ready. Let's take a look. Okay, good. It might be not the best website from the artistic point of view, but believe me, it will do its job, because it has all the necessary elements that a good website has. It has good navigation, it has clear CTA, it has social approval. In the case of the hotel, there are directions how to find this hotel, the telephone number to call, and you see the social networks at the bottom, and you can always go to the tab by clicking this button. Alright, that was it. Hit the like button if you like this tutorial, and see you in the next video.